Hey guys, what's happening out there? So, we're going to go over some crypto levels today. Start off by saying this is not financial advice. I'm only telling you what I like to do and how I look at things. You make your own bad decisions, truthfully. So, anyway, here we're going to look at a couple of these cryptocurrencies with Bitcoin, Doge, ETH, Luna, BNB, KCS, and Shiba Inu. Probably gonna moon. So here we go. So first we're gonna look at Bitcoin. I was putting together these charts for a while, some friends a while ago. I figured I'd start sharing them, and we talked about this level at 30,000. Now with Bitcoin, because the spread and the volatility is so high, it's gonna move around a lot. So really, it was this zone which it dipped into here with a low of 28,800, and then it also hit it over here, which was 29,300. So if you bought at 30,000, which is what this level was speaking to, it's really great. Like, good job. The next level I had to get above was here, and it did. It's done a great job. It made a great run from this support area all the way up. The next level that I'm looking at is about 60,000. Whole numbers just seem to be important. Um, so even though this level is probably more specifically 61,000, whatever, it's so specific numbers are, in my opinion, irrelevant to Bitcoin's movement. Let's break it down, look at it on a day, um, and just start putting in some lines here. Let's check this out. Let's see how we're doing here. Boom. Yeah, so this is really nice, being able to break this downward trend here, getting up above it. As you can see here, so if you look at a weekly chart, right, you know you're coming into support. And we came into support on the 21st, and, I'm sorry, on, yeah, the 21st of June and the 19th of July. So now let's look at those two dates on the daily. 21st of June, right over here, it was this time period, and then again in July, and it looks like, oh hell, it looks like it's going to hell. Like, you're not looking at that, you're looking at this and you're thinking, oh man, it could go down forever, and it could. And if you have appropriate risk reward, you may have an opportunity to make some money. And right here you can see the MAs. If you had bought in this level, this big green bar takes out the last one. That's a good sign. The EMA start to turn over. Another great sign. Breaks the support. Another great sign. So like, you keep getting more confidence as time goes on. Let's look at the next one. Let's look at Doge. Doge, I talked about breaking this level here. And what did it do? You can see I'm dragging over the line because that was the line. Boom. Held this line. Held this support area. Now it's look at that. I mean, come on, guys. Do you want it much easier? I don't think you can get much easier. Look at this. This is the next level. This is where all the sellers were last time. They sold it down. Here was the last support. I mean, come on, guys. What are you doing with your lives right now? Let's take a look. What is this brush? Let's look at this brush right here. Boom. We had support here, right? And then we had, boom. It came back up. Touch support. Now resistance. Fell back down. Held here. Now it's getting above it. Boom. Watch it break out. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen. Let's move on. Let's take a look at Doge on the monthly. Monthly isn't really as helpful here. We don't have too much data. Nonetheless, it's still supporting this area. Alright, let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum's big one. Ethereum moving along with Bitcoin. I mean, how could it not? So there you have it. Again, see it held in a similar spot. We have this uptrend. Ethereum, probably looking at, I would say 400 I'd say 4,000 as the level is probably the next one. But you have some good motion here, right? You have 8 and 21s curling up. They never really fell back. This really provided an opportunity to get long, and you could have used Bitcoin, right? 21st, well, that's the month. Let's look at the day. Boom, 21st of July. Let's look at Bitcoin again. 21st of July. Let's look at Doge. 21st of July. These things move together so much, guys. So let's just move this along. We're gonna go to Luna. Luna's been mooning. Luna's just going to the moon. So let's look at this guy getting above there. See, this is where it gets a little ugly, right? Because these bars are choppy, and this is where it becomes more art than a science. So I mean, I can draw this line here, but we already know hindsight is 2020. But this is the line I would have drawn. I would have taken it off of this. There you go. Again, let me guess what the day. Oh, see this. Oh, this is such a good example, and I can't believe I missed this. I'll be honest. Look at this relative strength. All right, we're gonna end the video on this one. We're not gonna go over those because this is more important. So Bitcoin bottoms out at the 21st. Dogecoin bottoms out into support. Ethereum bottoms out into support, but Luna held above its support. That is so strong. That's a huge buy signal. I missed it, and that's okay, because I'm not going to miss it next time. Big opportunity here. I would say there's a way more confidence, and you could have bought in, at the top. Usually my personal preference is buying in at the top of these bars to make sure it has some strength. So you bought it at 622, you doubled your money, it mooned. I mean, it could keep mooning. You never know. Anyway, thanks for listening, guys. Talk to you soon.